Good morning, guys. They hear that clanging of the silo. Even the sound of the machine, they know it's breakfast time.
Welcome to a typical January morning for the McMahon family of Brownville. They're in their 16th season feeding deer to help restore herd numbers in the Piscataquis County area.
We're pushing 1,200 pounds in this machine going down.
Last season, they dished out 28 tons of oats in 84 days on their 12-acre property.
We try to get around 5 pounds per deer. That's what the biologists recommend, 3 to 5 pounds to sustain their health.
In addition to local Maine oats, the deer also enjoy a diet of acorns and apples.
We go through 3 bushels.
Each morning around 9 a.m., you can find hungry herds waiting for their meal. Their movements are all captured on live stream and broadcast online.
We usually put all the good stuffs in troughs 1 and 8, and it gives the viewers the best crunching sensation. A lot of people love to hear the crunch. We put the acorns and stuff in those troughs also.
Each day, thousands of people across the world tune in to see the deer and other critters on the Brownville Food Pantry for Deer YouTube page. The page has 134,000 subscribers and growing.
It's therapeutic to a lot of people, and we love reading the comments, and it's just a lot better aspect for people to watch because it feels like you're really there. The clarity of it is incredible.
Monitoring the 5 cameras upstairs is Brownville's Food Pantry for Deer founder Richard McMahon.
I never would have dreamed it would get this big. Everybody seems to enjoy it, I think, just because it's basic nature. It's back to nature as close as you can get.
Feeding the deer, he says, is his calling. He fell in love with it as a 7-year-old kid in New York.
We used to put quarters in a little machine and get a whole handful of peanuts to feed the deer. I grew up on deer meat when I was a kid. Back in the 50s, this was pretty common here. But now I've changed. Instead of eating them, I feed them.
He's still at it 71 years later.
I feel good when I see all these creatures leave in the spring all fat and sassy and happy.
Keeping them happy and fed takes a lot of time and money. Right now, they're feeding approximately 700 pounds of oats daily to 150 to 200 deer. That adds up quickly. The McMahons say it costs up to $20,000 a year just for feed. To help with costs, they've started a GoFundMe. All donations directly fund the purchase of feed and essential supplies.
We appreciate every penny that comes in because it helps these guys make it through the winter.